Well, thank you, sir, for providing me this tutor. My tutor is an item that I have purchased recently for my family. To be honest, in my family, my brother is one of the best person who always purchases items for my family. For 5 years, I was looking for an opportunity to buy something for my family. Uh, it was most probably 30 days ago. 30 days ago, I bought a TV for my family. Uh, However, there are a couple of reasons why I bought this TV. Firstly, I bought TV for surprise my family, and then I was watching uh, sports and kinds of entertainment videos and learning something about the topic. And that it was best feeling for me, and I feel like now over the phone. That's it.
ফরের পর আপনি বার ব্যবহার করছেন সো আইএনজি ইউজ করবেন ফর সারপ্রাইজিং আচ্ছা অ্যাবাউট দ্য টপিক কোথা থেকে আসবে I purchased this TV to watch some educative channels এভাবে বলতে পারতেন তারপর আপনি শিখছেন এভাবে টিপস আদারওয়াইজ গুড তবে একটু বেশি বলতে হবে 2 মিনিট হয় না ওকে স্যার ওকে ক্ল্যাপ ফর হিম